Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Laravel. Laravel released their latest version Laravel 12. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Laravel latest version on Windows 11 PC. So, at first I open my browser and I go to laravel.com and hit enter. And this is the documentation. We go to documentation and we see their installation guide and follow their installation guide to install Laravel on Windows 11 PC. So first of all, we scroll down and create a Laravel application, and here PowerShell option. So I copy this command to install PHP latest version and Composer and Laravel installer in my PC. So I copy this with this copy to clipboard button, and I go to my PC and search PowerShell, and then right click on it and run as administrator. And it asks me permission to run as administration. I go click on yes, and then I paste copied code to here. So I paste it and I hit enter. It is downloading PHP binary, and then it will download Composer and it will download Laravel installer. So I will wait for a few seconds. You see that Laravel Composer and Laravel installer also downloaded. So here is a message success. PHP Composer and Laravel has been installed successfully. So I close this PowerShell wizard and also minimize my browser. And now I right click on desktop and go to open in terminal, and here I will create a new project. The project name will be install Mania. So I type Laravel new install Mania and hit enter. And here Laravel asks me to select starter kit. I will not select any starter kit. I will make a different video for different starter kit. So I hit enter. So it will creating Laravel new project. In this step, they downloading Laravel necessary files. Here this application asks me which database system I will use. So I will use SQLite. So I hit enter. SQLite is a by default database system. Here they ask me run npm install and npm run build. So I hit enter. By default it is yes. So installation process is completed. Installation process is completed. System asked me run those command on terminal. So I copy this command and hit enter. It entered the directory of install mania project, and this command will run the Laravel application on browser. So I copy this command and run on terminal. So this is the major issue, fail to listen my IP and port region question mark. So I will fix this. So I go to my C drive and then go to user and my username and go to configuration, hard drive, and then go to bin, and here is the option php.ini, and then I edit it. From this text variable order I just remove e and save this file and close this and close this. So now I So I close this process. So I click on Control C from the keyboard and type Y from the keyboard and hit enter. So this is closed. So I run again. So I see that Laravel is running on this IP and port. So I copy this and I paste on browser and hit enter. So our Laravel project is run on local computer. That is amazing. So in this video, I will show you how to install Laravel on Windows 11 PC from scratch. In my next few videos, I will show you how to install Laravel with starter kit. So I will install React, Vue and Livewire starter kit on Windows 11 PC. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.